Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be looking at 13HR. That's the building straight ahead. It's located at 13 Haining Road, hence 13HR. It's a very popular trend now to name the buildings after the address. So this is a 6-story building located in the heart of New Kingston. Across the road from it you have the One Belmont building on the left, and to the right is the Pegasus Hotel. Two massive buildings in Jamaica. Alright, to the right of us now is actually where they're going to be building a 32 floors. I guess it should be the first skyscraper in Jamaica. That is the parking lot of where the Wyndham Hotel on the right. Straight ahead to the right, that's the Pegasus. That used to be the tallest building in Jamaica at 17 floors, but the Rogers took the title as tallest building in Jamaica sometime last year when it reached 20 floors. Now, straight ahead to the right is One Belmont. Very nice building. Although it's only 9 floors, it has very tall ceilings, so that building is at a height of say even 10 or 11 floor building. We have videos up of all these buildings, so you can check it out. And if you want more information on the skyscraper they're going to build there, it's going to be either 32 or 34 floors, depending on what they get approved for. But this building now is 13HR. Very nice building. When they were building it, we kept giving you guys updates. I had no idea the building would turn out so nice. This is definitely... the architect did an excellent job with this building. And I must say, I like One Belmont. A lot of them buildings going up now are the architects, the design, it's so nice. We're actually going to highlight some of these architects because they're doing an excellent job. Look at this building, very nicely done. So it's a 6-story building, 32,000 square feet, and has all the amenities of a modern building today. Water storage, electricity backup, cameras, security. Those things are just basic now with every modern building that's going up now. But the highlight of this building is that it's located in New Kingston. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Enjoy the rest of the tour. Have a good day. Yeah.